How to set up two-step verification on PayPal. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for paypal.com. You will be led to the official webpage of PayPal. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on the settings option you see there on the top right corner of your screen and further tap on the security option. Here you will see the two-step verification tab. Tap on the setup option you see there and choose a method for verification. You can either use an authenticator app or use a security key device. Choose the most suited option for you. I will choose Authenticator app. You will then be required to either enter the setup key shown there in your Authenticator app or you will be required to scan the QR code. Once the authentication code is generated, enter the code in the text box you see here. Finally, tap on the confirm button and with this, two-step verification will be enabled on your PayPal. So, this is how you can set up two-step verification on PayPal. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.